In this short tutorial, I will show you how to add location on Weather app. Adding more locations allows you to keep track of the weather where your friends and family live or where you might be planning to visit soon. It's a great way to stay informed about the weather conditions in multiple places at once. To get started, open up the Weather app. Then tap on these three lines at the bottom right corner of the screen. After that, tap on the search bar at the top and search for the city that you want to add. For example, I'm going to type in Paris. Then tap and select that city from the search results. Now you'll be able to see the current weather conditions at that location. Simply tap Add at the top right corner of the screen to add the city. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.